A few weeks ago, I pressed some 3.5-star resin for a patient. Using Frenchytech, I consolidated 20 grams of granular resin into one mass. In the lounge, it was a little chilly, so although it was thoroughly pressed, the resin began to tighten up. I could feel the effects of the cold as the resin resisted my touch. For this reason, I added a little bit more heat in order to make the resin more malleable. I could have pushed harder, but that was not the point. When pressing hash into a ball, it is crucial that the resin is thoroughly heated so that there will be no seams where the resin has been merely folded over itself rather than meshed together. The aim is to have no cracks nor creases in order to decrease oxygen exposure. The shape of the ball is ideal because of reduced surface area. Oxygen within the mass is not desired either. So rather than immediately roll it into the ball, I squeeze the resin into a cube shape. I want this to be as compact as possible. Every surface is at some point forced inward in effort to eliminate all air. I mercilessly dig my fingers into the soft resin until it is dense and hard against my fingertips. When satisfied, I gently but firmly apply pressure on the vertices of the cube to form a misshapen sphere. At this point, I could consider the job done, but for my haste, I would be rewarded with a mass that is both dull and subpar. I pause to make sure that any trace of oxygen is indeed gone. I squeeze as before. A regular and consistent roll is necessary to keep the resin warm and to properly mold a balanced ball. This is where patience comes in. Slowly but surely, I massage the resin into an even shape using variable medium pressure and alternately spinning quickly or slowly depending on the feel of the ball. Everything is dependent on how the resin feels at that time. I polish it off with variable lighter pressure. Eventually, a near flawless ball will emerge.